Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. How are you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make Guyanese black-eyed pea soup. My soup is gonna have some chicken foot, ripe plantain, and sweet potato. You can also put eddo and cassava, whatever provision you want to put in your soup, you can put in your soup. But I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make this black-eyed pea soup. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make this delicious Guyanese black-eyed pea soup. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. So let me just show you my ingredients. Enjoy! So today I'm going to be cooking some black-eyed chicken foot soup. So first thing I'm going to do is put my, I wash my black eye, so I'm going to put it to pressure. Let it pressure. So I'm going to go and cut up my other ingredients and show you guys. We'll be back. Okay guys, so my black eyed peas finished pressuring and it's soft. So what I'm going to do now is transfer it over into this pot here, because I'm not using all of this piece here. So like half of it I'm going to put into the pot here. And what you're going to do now is put about 2 more cups of water into your pot of water here. Okay guys, I'm back. So in today's soup I'm going to be putting my ripe plantain and sweet potato. I also have the ramen pack here. I'm also going to be putting some black pepper, paprika, ginger powder, all-purpose seasoning, 2 cubes, and some mustard hot sauce. And over here we have some carrots, celery, broadleaf thyme, fine leaf thyme, and some grated garlic. So what we're going to do now is put our provision into the pot. And we have our peas in the pot here. It's already pressure. So I'm going to put my provision into the pot. Just like this. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, you can see. And then I'm going to put in my 2 cubes. Oops. Put in my, oh my. Hot. Yeah, I'm going to put in my 2 cubes, some all-purpose seasoning. I have the ginger powder and paprika, some black pepper, and we're going to take out the mustard hot sauce. Just put it into the soup. I'm going to mix everything together. This is a hurry soup guys, because I have to go to work, so I woke up very early just to make this video for you guys, and I hope the quality of my video is a little better now. It tastes really good. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put in my carrots, fine leaf thyme, broadleaf thyme, celery, and some grated garlic. Oh, and some parsley as well. I have some dry parsley in here. I'm going to put everything into the and mix everything together. Alright. And let this boil until the provision is soft enough. So What I'm gonna go and do now, I'm gonna go season up some chicken foot and fry it up. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so this is my chicken foot here. So the first thing I'm going to do, I have some grated garlic. I'm going to put the garlic inside. I'm going to put some chicken seasoning, a little all-purpose seasoning, ginger powder, and some paprika. I'm also going to put some black pepper. Oops. Alright, and we're going to mix everything together here. I'm not going to leave it to marinate too long because, like I said, it's the morning time and I have to go to work. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to fry up this chicken foot before I put it into my soup. Alright, a lot of people don't fry it up first, but I prefer to fry it up and then put it into the soup. Okay, so I just put some oil in my pan there. So what I'm gonna do now is fry up my chicken foot. Oh my, one of them. Yeah, I'm gonna fry up my chicken foot. Alright, so I'm going to let this fry up for about 8 minutes or so, 8 to 10 minutes and let it fire. Then you got to keep stirring it, alright? We'll be back. Okay guys, so my chicken breast has been frying up. It's all done here, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put it into the pot. I'm going to turn off my stove. And I'm going to transfer the chicken foot into the soup pot. Pour all the chicken foot in there, all the juices, everything. Perfect. And then you're going to stir it into the pot. Okay guys, so I'm going to go and make my my dumplings now, but let me show you the soup. It's boiling here. Looks so delicious. Yummy. Wow. See how the soup looking? It's all near finished already. Alright, so let me just show you how to make your dumplings. So I have some flour here. I have some sugar. I'm not making much dumplings, just a little bit. And I'm gonna put some butter as well. Alright. And then I'm gonna just mix everything up together. Mix the flour, the sugar, the butter, and everything combined together. So when you finish mixing up the butter, you're gonna show a little water inside of it and make it like a dough like. You're gonna mix the water and just let everything mix in. Throw a little bit more. Throw some more. Don't make it too soft though, alright? Don't make it too soft. If it's a little too soft, just throw a little bit of flour and form it into a ball. Smooth off the edges. And just form it into a ball. All right, I'm showing you guys everything step by step. All right, and you're gonna make your dumplings now. You're gonna roll it out. Let me just move these things here. Put a little bit more flour this side here, and you're gonna roll it out whatever size you want. You roll your dumpling to whatever size you want. All right, I'm gonna put it like this size here, and then I'm gonna rest it down. You could put it into whatever shape you want. If you want to be long way round, whatever shape, you can do that. Okay, so I finished rolling out my dumplings. So what I'm gonna do now is put in the top ramen. Just put it in, and also I'm gonna put in the little pack of seasoning that comes inside of it. I'm gonna put that in as well. Make sure everything go in, and then we're gonna stir, mix everything up. My baby loves black eye, and he loves eating black eye soup. But he like it very thick though. He like it to be very thick. Alright. So I'm gonna let this boil for about 5 more minutes, and then we're gonna put in our dumplings. So we'll be back. Okay, so the soup has been boiling for 5 minutes. So what I'm gonna do now is put in my dumplings. You can put them all over in the pot. Don't put them one spot. Put them all over different parts of in the pot. Alright, and then within the next 10 minutes the dumpling can be finished. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so the soup is finished. Here's the soup. It's all finished. It looks so delicious. Oh my god, I can't wait to taste it. Okay guys, so this is the end results to my Guyanese black eye chicken foot soup, black eye peas chicken foot soup. So I'm just gonna taste it and let you guys see. See, this is my soup here. It's thick, creamy, and oh my god, and it's gonna be so delicious. Alright, so I'm gonna try it on camera, but you guys won't be seeing me because I'm preparing to go to work right now and I can't show myself. Anyhow, I'm gonna taste my soup now and let you guys see. Alright, let me blow it. Wow. Oh my god, this soup tastes so delicious. Trust me guys, you guys need to try this recipe. Try to make this black eyed pea soup. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Okay guys, I have to go now. I'm rushing to go to work. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. And also you can leave a comment down below requesting what other dish you want me to make. Alright, and you can follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton, and you can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton. Alright, thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Alright, stay blessed. Bye.